So Advait, today we are going to discuss about fraction. Okay, we are learning some things about fractions.
Okay.
So do you know about fractions? Do you know anything about fractions? What are the fractions?
No, I do not know what is fraction.
Okay, okay, perfect then. ठीक है. Okay, we will start. Okay, tell me Advait, do you like pizza?
Yes.
Okay, perfect then. You are in my category. I also love pizza. Okay,
Mm,
so just imagine we have one pizza. Okay, Betu. Okay, just a second.
Yeah.
Is it visible, Betu? The whiteboard
Yeah.
and my kind of pizza also. Okay, so just imagine I have a pizza and I cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. Okay, like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so one part is for you, one is for me, one for your mom, and one for is your friend. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So see, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So fraction is nothing but part of the whole. So whole is our the whole pizza. This is our whole. Okay, Betu.
Yeah.
And now this is the part. So now tell me, if you took this part, okay, how many parts you have right now of the pizza? How many
3.
slices you have? No. If you took this part, so how many piece or how many slice you have?
घेतलेले?
घेतलेले.
घेतले 1.
Oh, you can speak Marathi?
Yeah.
I did perfect then. Okay, I also can speak Marathi thoda thoda, so we can manage. If you don't understand anything now, you can ask me directly. Okay, no issues. So I'm asking,
Yeah.
how many parts you have? तू किती घेतले? असं.
1.
1. Okay, perfect. So you have taken one part. And how many total parts I have, Advait? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right?
Yeah.
So I will write the total parts in the below. Okay? And the parts you have, it will be above. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'll tell you each and everything more clearly. Now see, Advait. Okay. So like I said, this 1/4 part is your, this one slice is yours, this one slice is mine, this one is for your mom, and this one is your for your friend. Okay, now first understood what this means. So the line,
Yeah.
the line you are seeing, it's called bar. Okay, bar, bar. Okay, so above the bar, this one, this is numerator, numerator. Okay, which
Yeah.
we shows like capital N. So this is numerator, and below the bar, this is known as denominator.
Yeah.
Okay, that is capital D. Understood? This is very important, Betu. Numerator and denominator. Okay, clear, Advait?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So as I told you, 1/4 part is mine, 1/4 part is yours, 1/4 with mummy, and 1/4 with your friend. Okay, so this is nothing but a fraction. Okay, part of whole. See, what is the definition of fraction? Part of whole. So how many total parts we have? 4. Yes,
Yeah.
and part of that, like one part is with you, one part is with me, one part is with your mom, and one slice is with your friend. Like this is the shortest and most basic definition of fraction, Betu. Clear? What is the
Yeah.
fraction? Perfect.
Yeah.
It's very simple, Advait. It's very simple. Now, as I told you, there are many types of fractions. We will discuss this about. But have you understood the part of whole? What is mean by part of whole?
Yeah.
Whole is nothing but the total parts you have, like the pizza, the total pizza, without slicing it. Okay, I haven't cut it yet, but this is my whole part, the whole pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, clear, Betu?
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, now there is one more thing I want to discuss it with you. Just imagine you have 8 balloons. Okay, Advait? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, you have 8 balloons, and out of 8, 3 balloons are in red color. Okay, Betu? Now, if I ask you, Advait, tell me how many balloons are red but in the fraction form. Okay? Okay? So first you will write down the bar. Okay. So below what I told you, नीचे वाला part क्या रहता? Total numbers. So how many total numbers are there? How many balloons are there? So I will
8.
write 8 in the below. And the question is how many red color balloons you have. So how many red balloons you have? So it will come where? Up or down?
Up.
Above or below? Up. So it will become
Above.
3 by 8. Understood?
Yeah.
This is nothing but this is fraction. So you see, you learn the fraction. Okay? Okay. Now we will do one worksheet. Then you will be more clear. Just a second, Bitu. Where is the worksheet? Where is the worksheet? Okay, perfect. This one. Is it visible to you, Advait?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll do one question and then remaining question you try to solve. Okay. So the question is you have to write down the fraction of shaded portion. You know what is meant by shaded? Can you see? One portion is
Yes.
shaded here. Okay. So I have to write the missing numerator or denominator. Okay, Betu? Numerator
Yeah.
is above part and denominator is the below wala part. Understood, Advait?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you also know how to speak Hindi?
Little bit.
Okay, perfect. Okay, no issues. Okay. So now tell me, this is they have given the numerator 1. Okay, because one part is the shaded, right, Advait?
Yeah.
So in denominator, which number I'm going to write?
3. No, 4.
4. Very good. Very good, Betu. See, you learned the fraction. Now B. How many shaded region you can see? Sorry? 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So here I will write 3. Okay. So it's 3. Perfect. Now see. How many total parts are here? The triangle, and how many total parts are here? Like triangle is divided into how many parts, Advait?
3.
So in denominator, what I will write?
3.
3. Very good. See,
Fingers
you
पे
got it.
रखो.
Now this one, baby. Tell me the D1. Now this is very thoda sa tricky, but it's very fun. Okay. Can you count the total parts? How many parts are there?
Yeah.
Okay.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And out of 8, 6 parts are shaded.
Yeah.
Right, Betu? Perfect. Okay.
Seven.
7.
7.
Oi, oi, oi.
Count
Oi,
again.
count clearly.
One,
Count it.
two. Total. Total. Oh.
Yes, baby. Total.
9.
Yes. See, Betu, you don't have, you are not counting the white wala part only. We are not counting the white one. We are counting the total parts. What I've told you in numerator, we
Huh.
are going to write the
Okay.
shaded part. And in denominator, the total number of parts. Okay? Okay? Good, very good. Oh, this is very nice. I want to tell you one more thing here. Now tell me first. See, they have given the total parts. And now you have to write the shaded wala part. How many parts are there?
Shaded?
Yes, shaded.
Shaded are 4. Shaded are 4.
Yes, so it is 4
0.
by 4. No, baby, always remember. Look, Advait, the same number, if you have same number in numerator and same number in denominator, it will make 1, na? 4 ones are 4. Right, Betu? So this one is nothing but our whole. 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 Because all the parts are shaded. Yes?
Yeah.
So this is known as whole. Understood what is whole?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Good job. Good boy, Bitu. Okay. Next, beta.
Three.
Very good. 3. Nice. Okay.
1.
Very good. 1. Take a second. Advait. Okay. Next.
3.
Very good, Betu. Perfect. Next, baby.
5.
Very good. 5. See?
3.
Good job.
6.
Okay. 6. Perfect. Right? Okay. The next.
4. 8. 8.
No,
8.
Betu. 8. Yes. They have given the shaded part, na? 4. Okay. Next, Advait.
3.
3. Very good job. And the last one. 2. Again, what is this, Advait? This is
Whole.
understood? Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Perfect. High five, Advait. You did a great job. Yeah. Virtual high five. है ना? Okay. Now we are going to learn how you can say the name of the fraction. Okay, Advait? Just say, see, this one. What we usually call this, Betu?
सगळं एकत्र नाही याला काय म्हणतात
Yes, baby. सगळं
फ्रॅक्शन
एकत्र. Yes, in the
नाही
form of
काय त्याला
fraction.
व्हॅल्यू व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे मानिकरी म्हणजे
Okay, okay. Advait, see, look here, Betu. No issues. How to pronounce this? This bar, we say it's Advait.
बार
No, we say bar, but how to pronounce it? It's called by. So how I will say 1 by 2. Okay, and we also call 1 by 2 is
हाफ
barabar. If I am saying I have a pizza and I have cut into 2 equal parts, then what I will say? The half pizza you can eat, the half pizza I will eat. Right?
Yeah.
It's nothing but 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we call half.
Yeah.
Cool? Okay. Now tell me how I will pronounce this.
By 3.
Yes, 1 by 3, or it is also known as 1/3.
Third.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever okay, do you know about cardinal and ordinal numbers, Advait?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
Ordinal.
1, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So we are going to use this number only. See, 1/3 या फिर 1 by 3 or 1 by 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Now for this, Betu,
1/4 or 1/4?
Yes, and the one more name it has is
Half.
quarter.
Quarter.
Okay, clear, Advait?
Yeah.
Same for like if I wrote
1/5 or oh,
yes
1/5.
very good. If I make it 6, if I make 5 a 6, then
1/6 or 1/6.
okay, 1 7,
1/7 or
1 by 7th only, or 1 by 7.
yeah.
Okay, now there is one more worksheet, Advait, just a
Or
minute. uh, where is the worksheet? Okay, now the thing is it visible, Betu?
yeah.
Okay,
This side is
so
not
we have,
visible.
okay,
Left
yeah, I have just
is
zoomed it
visible.
out now because of that. Now is it visible, the whole
Yeah.
page? Perfect, Betu. Okay, so now you have to write the fraction in numerals. Okay, they have given
Yeah.
the words, so it's like 4/10. How I'm going to write, Advait?
4
Very good.
and
It is not and, Betu, it's bar. So bar, what I've told you,
yeah.
what we said, by 4 by
4/10.
Very good. See, you got it. Perfect job. Okay, next, Betu.
1/4. 3/4.
But Bibu, very good. See, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but 3/4. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, next, baby.
2/5.
Very good. 2 by 5. Good job. The next.
1/3. 3.
Yes, so 1 by 3. Nice. Next, Bala.
1/10.
Very good. 1 by 10.
6/10.
Very good. 6 by 10. Nice. One half.
Yeah. 1/2.
Yes, Betu. 1 by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
1 by 2. Okay. The next. 1/4.
1/4. 1/2. 4.
1 by 4.
Yeah. 1/4.
Very good. Now just tell me this fraction in words. Okay, Advait?
Yeah. 3/5, I think.
Very good.
Huh.
Yes, 3 by 5. The one is 3 by 5 and the other one is
Yeah.
3/5. 3/5.
Yeah.
Okay?
Huh.
Okay, Bala. This one. Try this one.
7/10. 7
Very
by
good.
10.
Perfect. Very good, Betu. Okay. Next, Betu.
1/4. 1/4.
Good job, Advait. And this?
3/3. 1/3.
No. Only 3 by 3, or you can say it. See,
Whole.
numerator and denominator is same. So, the whole. Okay? 3/3 or
Hmm.
whole.
Okay.
Clear? Perfect, yaar. You know everything, yaar, Advait. Very good. Okay, now this is the most just again. Okay. So these are the question usually asked in exams. Okay, Advait, in the question
Yeah.
format, and you have to write in the fraction. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll tell you the first one. See, Aunt Mary baked 6 cupcakes. 4 of them are strawberry cupcakes. What fraction of her cupcakes are strawberry? So the question is, what are the fraction of her cupcakes are strawberry? So how many total cupcakes she baked, Advait?
6.
6. So 6
6.
will go down, then bar. And how many cupcakes are strawberry cupcake? Like, what are the, how many numbers?
4
Yes, so it will become 4/6
by
or
6.
4/6. Okay, Betu?
Yes. Can you
Okay,
please zoom
now
it?
second. Okay, Betu. Is it visible now?
Zoom out.
A little bit zoom out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, second one. Read the question,
Jimmy bought
Advait.
12 cans of soda. 3 of them are orange flavored. 12 funny. 12 down.
Okay. 12 down,
3 up.
3 up. Now, baby, try to tell me like this. Ki, ma'am, the answer is 3/12 or 3/12. Okay? Okay, Betu. Next one.
Ten by 6. बघ ना नीट.
Always remember, you are going to write total numbers below the bar. So how many total chocolates here?
10.
Okay, so it will go like this and
6 by
about
10.
very good. So 6/10. Perfect. Okay, next.
7 by 2.
Oi,
No,
oi,
2
oi.
by 7.
Yes, baby, 2/7. Okay, next, Betu.
4 by 15.
Very good. 4/15. Perfect. Understood, Advait?
Yes.
Perfect, Bala. Now, this is the basic thing. Now, I want to discuss one important part with you, which is we are going to discuss types of fractions. My handwriting is that bad. Just a second. Okay.
I do not understand cursive that much.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. I'll try to. Actually, this pencil.
Yeah,
is not
I can understand little but not much.
Okay.
Like simple words.
Okay. No issues. Sorry. Okay. I didn't know, Betu. Okay. Ha. Okay. Don't worry. We have everything. We have all the solutions. So this handwriting is my little bit because I always write in cursive. So I hope you can read it properly.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to. I don't know what is happening with pencil. Okay, so we are going to discuss about types of fraction. Okay, we will discuss only because it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, so see, Advait. First, there is term as proper fraction.
Okay.
Okay, and the other one is improper fraction. Okay, These are the first two most important part of the fraction. Okay, most important
Yeah.
types of fraction. It's very easy. After learning, you will be like, it's actually was very easy. See, now proper. So see, I've told you in fraction we have one numerator and one denominator, right? The numerator is
Yeah.
above the bar and denominator is the below the bar. Okay, so proper fractions are those fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator. Listen carefully. Denominator is greater than the numerator. So example is like 3 by 8. As you can see, 3 is numerator and denominator is 8. And denominator is greater than numerator here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now can you give me one or two examples of proper fraction? Any?
Okay. 4 by 6.
Very good. Perfect, Betu. 4 by 6. Okay.
1 by 10.
1 by 10. Perfect. See, you got it. So these are proper fraction. In proper fraction, denominator is greater than the numerator. Okay, Betu? Now, as I told you, improper. Now, can you tell me, Advait, what will be the improper fractions? Just
10
take
by
a guess.
2.
Very good. Here, numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Example, as you told me, 10 by 2. Okay. Give me more two examples.
9.
Sorry?
9 and
And
9
by
9 by 4.
Okay. Perfect. One more example.
6 by 5.
Perfect. So these are our improper fractions. Okay.
Yeah.
So proper fractions in which denominator is greater than the numerator, and improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than the denominator.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect, Bala. Perfect. Okay. I have one worksheet for this also. Just if I just a second, bus.
Yeah. Can I ask a question?
Oh yeah, definitely. So sorry, Betu.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you showed me the second one. What is it, a unlegal fraction?
No, Betu, there is not unlegal actually. There is a fraction like that in which the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Okay, in a picture, if I want to show you, see, I'll show you. See, Balu, normal proper fraction is like this. If I am drawing a rectangle, okay, now I am saying 3, okay, and I'm coloring only one part. So it's like 1 by 3 only. Okay.
Yeah.
Now just imagine there is a same rectangle and now someone asked me to make 13 parts of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. And now someone asked me to color 1 or 2 parts of it. 2 parts of 13. Take second, Advait. I'm just telling you something first. Imagine, try to imagine. So it will be like this,
Okay.
right? Anna?
Yeah.
Okay. Now try to imagine and try to tell me, Advait, which one is greater by seeing. What do you think? Which part is greater? 2 by 3 or 2 by 13?
With which digits? Upper or lower?
Upper. No, not about upper and lower. By seeing the figure, which shaded part do you think is greater? 2 by 3 or 2 by 13?
2 by 13?
But see na Betu, this is the only ittu sa part, but this is like itna bada part.
Yeah.
So it's 2 by 3, na?
Yeah.
I'll explain it
हाँ.
later. Like I will explain it to you अच्छे से in our class. No issues. But there is no like a improper fraction. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. So Advait, Betu, our time is over actually. So okay.
Yeah.
So did you enjoy our class?
Yes.
Did you understand the things we discussed today?
Yes.
Okay, Betu.
Yeah.
It was nice talking to you, Bala.
Yeah. Same.
Yes. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes, Betu.
Yes.
Bye bye. Take care.
Yes. Same to you.